Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In my recent poll on the community tab to my subscribers, I asked a question and wanted to see if you wanted to see more pictures on the channel, more of my pictures, and the results are in, and you do. So in this video, what I'm going to do is share some of the images I've taken, but using the Classic Negative Simulation from Fujifilm. And in total, there are 12 different film simulation options that come with your new Fuji camera. These let you simulate different effects of different kinds of Fujifilm from the past, including black and white. Now these simulations, they let you choose kind of a palette that, it's choosing a palette according to your subject and your creative taste and intent for what your type of pictures you want to take. Now the film simulation Classic Negative is described in the camera manual as giving your images enhanced color and hard tonality to increase image depth. Now, it's worth noting that Classic Negative, like some of the other simulations on the Fuji camera, is not based on an actual film stock. It's more of kind of a film feel and look. And Classic Negative may not be for everybody's taste due to kind of the vintage vibe, kind of retro look it gives to your photos. They give your photos, I do kind of like the look of this, a nice punch to the colors. I do kind of like it, especially for street photography. And I do like I said, how Classic Negative kind of does punch up the colors over the other simulation, Classic Chrome. We haven't touched on Classic Chrome yet on the channel. I will be covering that in an upcoming video, and I'll show you some photos on that. We can do some comparisons that we can go and take a look and see the difference between Classic Chrome and Classic Negative. So here are some samples that I took using the Classic Negative film simulation. Make sure you let me know down in the comments below what your favorite image is. If there's a certain built-in Fujifilm simulation you'd like to learn more about and see in an upcoming video, do let me know in the comments. I'll put them on a priority to cover in an upcoming video. If you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, but also consider subscribing to be able to follow along and see my further videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. I enjoy sharing my photos. Hopefully you like them, and I'll see you in the next video.